Do you like this eye look? Okay guys, so these are the 3 palettes that I used to create this look. I used the Urban Decay, the Naked Smokey palette with all these beautiful dark smoky colors, and then I used the Take Me Back to Brazil. The only color I use in this palette is that jet black right there, and then the Colourpop Chasing Rainbows palette for really just the transition color. So the first shade I'm going to use is from the Chasing Rainbows palette, is this color right here, Feeling It. And I'm just taking this on a big fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna put this right in my crease. I'm just gonna use a swiping motion because I really just want to get it on there really quickly, because you have to spend a lot of time blending out this look. So this is the least of your worries right now, is this color right here. So next I'm going to take a smaller eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to go into my Urban Decay palette and use the color Whiskey. Should have had some whiskey in honor of this palette with these colors. Next time. So this color, I'm only putting it in my crease right here. I'm not bringing it all the way in because I don't want it to be like overbearingly smoky. I want it to just be like, I don't know, subtle smoky, I guess. So I'm gonna put that like in my crease, and I'm gonna bring that down in this corner right here too. Now with the other brush that I use with the Colourpop color, I'm just gonna go back in. I'm not adding more product, just to kind of blend those 2 colors out. Okay, so once you feel like you've gotten a good blend, I'm going to go back to the Colourpop palette and take the color Wiggles. It's this color right here. It's kind of like a bone shade. And I'm going to put that on my lid. Once I've gotten that on my lid, I'm going to go back with that big fluffy brush that we used for the transition shade. Again, not adding more product, just kind of going over it to blend out the harsh lines. Ta-da! Now, once I've gotten that done, I'm going to go ahead and go in and do my waterline. The eyeliner I'm using is the NYX 2-timer. I'm going to go in with the kohl pencil side, and I'm going to just slightly do a small wing. I'm going to get closer so y'all can see. I'm not trying to be weird or nothing. So, right here on the corner. And I'm just going to bring it in a little bit. It's okay if it's messy because you're just going to go in and smudge it out anyway, so it really doesn't matter how you get it on there. You just want to make sure you got it. I'm also going to do my waterline real quick. And then I'm going to take my e.l.f. liquid liner and go over what I just did with the kohl pencil. I'm doing this because whenever I tried to smudge out the pencil, it didn't actually smudge. So I'm going to do this with the liquid, because the liquid, it did smudge. I'm also going to bring this down under my lid. I mean, not under my lid, under my eye, to smudge that out as well. Next, I'm going to take my smudge brush. It looks like this. I got this brush at Walmart out of like a, what's the name of it? Moda? Yeah, Moda. And I really just got them because they were so pretty. But this, I really do love this smudge brush. Like, I use it a lot. So to smudge it out, I did use this like to smudge in my eyeliner because this look is like super smoky, so I wanted it to kind of be like a blended liner-ish. smudging not to get your eyeball like I always do. Okay, now to make this look more smoky, I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's called Black Market. And it's a black, but it's kind of an ashy black, so it's not like super dark. That's why we're gonna use the black out of the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. But this one works fine for the smoky liner thing that I've got going on. So now to really smoke out this look, I'm going to go into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and use that jet black at the bottom. Still using the same smudge brush, and I'm going to go under my eye right here. And I'm also going to bring it up right here. And then to blend that out right there, I'm going to take a small eyeshadow brush and take a little bit of black and start to blend that in. If you're only using like 1 or 2 brushes, I suggest that you get more, because you're gonna need that same fluffy brush from before with the transition shade to keep blending that in so that you don't have like raccoon eyes. Because with black, it's just like if you're blending out like a blue, like you have to like super duper blend so that you don't be looking crazy. So as you can see, what I'm doing is I'm just kind of alternating the 2 brushes just to make sure that I'm getting a really good blend on these shades, because I mean the worst thing that you can do is like have black eyeshadow all over your face, and then whenever you take pictures you look like a raccoon. Now to blend out this corner a little bit better, I'm getting closer so you guys can see really good. I'm going to take this tiny little brush, start to smoke it out. You see how there's like no harsh line right there now? Now to clean that up, you can take your concealer. I already cleaned up on this side, so I'm just going to do it real quick on this side. The concealer that I'm using is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and the color I have is Golden. Before we finish up with the eyes, there's one more step on the lower lash line. I'm going to go back in with that color Whiskey and go blend that out right here under my eye, so there's no harsh line. I don't know how I forgot that part. Perfect. Okay, so now I'm just going to take care of that right there. So the next thing to do with this look is, you guessed it, add some lashes. The lashes that I'm using, I got them off of Amazon. I will link the lashes below in the description below, as well as all the products that I've used. As well as all the products that I've used in this video. I normally don't like to switch, like use like 3 different palettes, but you gotta do what you gotta do. You know, lastly for lips, I am going to use my new Ofra Long Lasting Lip shade in Havana Nights. I got this in my Boxy Charm box, and I freaking love this color. It's so pretty.
Okay, that is the end of this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have not already, please do subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and leave a comment below, and be nice. You'll see my face in the next video.